Hey, in this video we will talk about iOS 17 and the new 80% charging limit feature. Is it worth it? Is it a good idea? We'll go ahead and check it out. It has different aspects for different countries, so I'll show you how to access it and what I'm personally doing with it. So you want to head over to settings. From settings you want to go down to battery right here. And when you click battery, you have a bunch of options. You want to click on battery health and charging, and it says maximum capacity 100%. This is the measure of the battery capacity. Okay, then you have peak performance capability, built-in dynamic software, and then you have optimized battery charging. So to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it waits to finish charging past 80% until and you use it. So basically how it works is, especially with iPhone 15 models, is you can choose between optimized battery charging 80% limit and none. When you choose the 80% limit, your iPhone will charge up to 80% and then stop charging. If the battery charge level gets down to 75%, charging will resume until your battery charge level reaches about 80%. Again, if you have the 80% limit enabled, your iPhone will occasionally charge to 100% to maintain accurate battery state of charge estimate. So this is pretty much everything. If you still have any questions regarding your iPhone, iOS 17 or your battery, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try to help you out. If I did help you out, slap the like button. See you next one.